In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts on Quantower. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can start using alerts right away. Alerts help you stay on top of key price levels without staring at the screen, so once they're set correctly, the platform does the watching for you. Begin by opening the chart of the symbol you want to monitor. Make sure you're on the correct instrument and data source, because alerts are bound to the chart you're viewing. If you work with multiple windows, quickly double-check the ticker and time frame in the chart header so you're placing the alert exactly where you intend. Now, look for the bell icon labeled Alert on the chart sidebar or on the toolbar. Depending on your workspace layout, it may appear along the right side panel or at the top. Hovering over the icon will confirm that it's the alert tool. Click it once, and Quantower will drop a horizontal alert line onto your chart at the current price level. Next, drag that line to the precise price where you want the alert to trigger. Click and hold the line, then move it up or down until the price marker on the right axis shows your target level. Zoom in on the chart if you need finer control, and take a moment to place it cleanly above resistance or below support, depending on your strategy. The line will stay anchored to that specific price, regardless of how you pan or zoom. When the alert settings pop-up appears, start by enabling the alert. Make sure the toggle or checkbox is on. This arms the alert so it can actually fire when conditions are met. This is an easy thing to overlook, so confirm it before moving on. Choose the condition next. Crossing above means the alert will trigger the moment price moves from below your line to above it. Crossing below does the opposite, firing only if price drops from above your line to below. Pick the direction that matches your goal. For instance, use crossing above for breakout confirmations and crossing below for breakdowns or pullbacks. Adjust your actions to decide how you want to be notified. You can select a sound, an on-screen pop-up, or external messaging such as Telegram. Choose what fits your workflow and environment. If you select an external service, make sure it's already connected in your platform settings. Otherwise, stick with local options like sound and pop-ups. Finally, confirm to activate the alert. You'll see the alert line remain on your chart, often with a bell icon or label indicating it's armed. That's it. Open the chart, click the bell, place the line, set the condition and actions, and confirm. With that in place, you'll catch the move right when it happens.